Mr. Mariñas, binanggit nyo nga po sa statement nyo kanina, you resigned in 2018 to run as mayor in Muntinlupa. Tama po ba yon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you tell this committee how much you spent in the campaign?
At this point, Your Honor, I cannot recall, but I submitted my statement of expenditures during the last day with the COMELEC, and it's under oath, Your Honor. Maybe we can request, but at this moment, I do not recall the exact figures of how much we spent.
Magkano po yung ni-report nyo sa SOSE, if you can remember,
Hindi ko po
estimate?
matandaan kung magkano po ang nilagay namin. That was almost 2 years ago, Your Honor.
So yes, the committee will request that information. Magkano po ulit yung sweldo nyo? Ano po yung salary grade nyo? At the time that you left the...
At the time that I left,
Bureau.
Your Honor, I had the item of Immigration Officer 2, which has a salary grade of, I think, 13, I think. I could not recall, Your Honor. Just one step ahead of Immigration Officer 1.
San De La Rosa.
13,000.
Salary grade 13.
Salary grade
Matatandaan
13.
ko po.
So yung magkano yun? Yung salary grade 13?
Siguro po mga 24,000.
24.
Plus the augmentation pay. Kaya lang nawala naman po nung time namin 2017 up to third quarter of 2018.
Thank you.
Thank you, San De La Rosa. So, with salary grade 13, 24,000 pesos a month, plus augmentation until nawala yung augmentation. So, 24,000 a month. Pero nakatakbo kayo bilang mayor. Mr. Mariñas, nagsasubmit ba kayo ng SALN noon?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you submit your SALN for 2018? Kung kailan kayo nag-resign sa Bureau?
Sa tingin ko po, nakapag-submit po ako ng 18 before I left the Bureau.
Well, kasi po ayon sa records namin, hindi po kayo nag-submit ng SALN noong 2014, 2015, 2016, at saka 2018, for the record.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.